At our Connections conference this year, several people commented how it would be nice to have playlists available on the support site so that new users could watch the training videos in a structured order. For this month's support tip, I wanted to let you know that there are now several playlists available in the same grid as the existing training videos. The easiest way to find these playlists is to filter for the keyword playlist. If you click on the playlist to play it, it will start with the first video and play through all subsequent videos automatically. As long as you are not in full screen mode, you can access the playlist to skip over or jump to specific videos if you would like to. Also, chapters have now been added to the videos that are over 2 to 3 minutes long to make them easier to navigate. There's an icon for the chapters at the bottom that allows you to click on the topic to jump right to that chapter in the video. We can also work with you to coordinate building the training videos into a structured tour de force workflow to assist with your onboarding and training processes. If you would like to get more information on that or to see how we're using it internally, please open a support request through the support site or contact someone on our support team.